Hello, everyone, and welcome back to another episode of the Max AC channel. For this month, we will be continuing to make more drinks, but for this month's theme, we will be doing a second round of Juiceless July, where we'll be focusing on 5 different drinks that don't use fruit juices in their recipes. For this episode, we will be making some lavender matcha latte. For this recipe, you will need 1 to 2 teaspoons of matcha powder. You can use any type, but I recommend getting ceremonial grade, since it has the best green color and flavor, but use whatever you can find. You will also need 2 tablespoons or so of hot water, 1 cup of your favorite milk, 1 teaspoon of sugar or another type of sweetener, some ice of course. Then for the lavender cold foam, you will need 3 tablespoons of heavy cream, 1 tablespoon of milk, and 1 to 2 tablespoons of lavender syrup. You can find this in stores, but we'll be making our own with half cup of sugar, half cup of water, 3 tablespoons of dried lavender flowers, 1 to 2 teaspoons of vanilla bean paste or vanilla extract, and since lavender infusion comes out clear, we'll need to add some purple color via food coloring or 1 to 2 tablespoons of butterfly pea flower tea, but this is optional of course. This is enough for 4 to 8 servings of lavender syrup and 1 drink serving, so adjust as needed. First, we'll make the lavender syrup, so in a saucepan, add in the half cup of sugar, half cup of water, dried lavender flowers, vanilla bean paste, and the butterfly pea flower tea. Then, simmer this for 5 to 7 minutes or until the sugar dissolves completely and the color infuses into the syrup. Once your syrup is ready, let it cool, and while we wait, we'll prepare the matcha latte. Heat up some water to 185 degrees Fahrenheit, or just before it starts boiling. Then, in a small bowl or cup, add in your matcha powder and pour in 2 tablespoons of hot water, and give this a mix with a whisk or hand mixer. You can also add in your sugar or whatever sweetener you like now. Grab your serving glass with some ice and pour in your mixed matcha. Then, pour in your cup of your favorite milk and give this a mix if you wish. Then, for your lavender cold foam, in another bowl or cup, add in your 3 tablespoons of heavy cream, 1 tablespoon of milk, and lavender syrup, and give this a mix with a hand mixer or until it turns into a smooth foam. Once your matcha latte is done, pour your lavender cold foam over, and with that, your lavender matcha latte is ready to drink. Matcha is one of my favorite ingredients to use. Whether it's in food or in a drink, I love its earthy, grassy taste, as well as its vibrant green color. So I thought I would bring you all another delicious matcha drink recipe this month. Earlier this year, Starbucks actually released a new lavender matcha latte drink, and as a fan of both lavender and matcha, I knew that I had to try it. Though the Starbucks drink was incredibly saccharine, which I think took away from both the matcha and lavender flavors. So I thought I could make a better tasting recipe at home and share it with you all. And so, as such, my version is a lot less sweet than the Starbucks one, but I like this one better because I can actually taste the matcha and lavender, and I think the flavor pairing works really well. And although the colors aren't as stark as the Starbucks version because I didn't use any food dyes, I think the butterfly pea flower does a good enough job at adding a hint of purple. Another way you could add purple is by adding some blackberry juice when you make the lavender syrup, but because of the theme, I decided to just use the butterfly pea flower tea, though I probably could have added some more to make it darker, which is what I did for my second batch, and I think it turned out a lot better. But even if you leave out the purple color completely, this drink will still taste of lavender and matcha and will be another refreshing pick-me-up after a long day in the summer sun. Anyway, I hope you all enjoyed the video. In the comments below, let me know how it went. If you decided to make it, let me know if there's anything you want me to make next. Like the video, share with your friends and family, and subscribe to this channel for more episodes of the Max AC channel. And remember, If you want to stay cool in the kitchen, turn your AC to the max and watch the max AC channel. What to do with the rest of this lavender syrup?